Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you are all well. In this video, we will learn about parts of speech. What are parts of speech? Parts of speech are the basics of the language. English has 8 parts of speech. Those are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Without any further ado, let's get started. Noun. Noun is a name of person, place or thing. For example, Ali, Karachi, books are all nouns. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word that used instead of noun. For example, he, she, it, they, we are all pronouns. Verb. Action words are called verb. For example, write, drink, eat, sit, stand are all verbs. Adjective. Adjective tell us about the quality, size, shape and color of a noun. For example, honest, red, big are all adjectives. Adverb. Adverb is a word that enters information in the meaning of word. For example, honestly, badly, fastly are all adverbs. Preposition. Preposition show the position of noun. For example, up, down, out, behind are all prepositions. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins two sentences or two words. For example, because, if, and are all conjunctions. Interjection. An interjection is a word which express some emotions. For example, wow, ah are all interjections. Okay friend, today we learned an amazing topic called parts of speech. In the coming up video, we will learn about each one with details. Okay friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with friends and give me a thumb for more awesomeness. See you in the next one. Bye.